Since we've been talking all about the regions of California, we want to examine more, how do people use the land in those regions? Now, just to review, the regions in California are the desert region down here in pink, the valley region right there in yellow, the mountain region in purple, and the coastal region all along the coast with the Pacific Ocean in green. All right, well, how do we use those different regions, the land in those regions? Let's check it out. California has many resources or things that meet people's needs. In the valley, we have soil that grows our crops. In our forests, we have wood that provides paper and lumber to build houses. And our rivers and lakes provide drinking water. So for example, here's the soil that's produced these things in the valley. And here's some trees in different regions so that you can have paper. All right, typically we find these things in the mountain regions. We find those forests there. All right, so we do have a lot of resources here in California, right here in our regions. All right, well, what do we do to make sure that the water in those rivers doesn't flood? Well, we've created some dams to prevent the floods. The dams are these big walls that hold back water. And sometimes they can provide electricity, but mostly they provide water for plants. All right. We also made canals that move the water to new areas. So this is actually a really cool map. See, there's the title, California Water Systems, all of the different ways that we've moved water so that the whole state has enough water to drink. Okay, this is a picture of Hoover Dam, which brings water to Southern California. And you can see it's a big wall that's going to hold back that water. And here's a canal. Okay, here's a canal that brings water to the farms in the valley. Okay, well, we've also made some larger canals. And the largest canal built was the Panama Canal, which actually connects North America to South America. All right, and so if you look at this map, you could see the Panama Canals there. It used to take forever to go all the way around South America. Now they just go in between, right to the port of LA. And at the port of Oakland or Los Angeles, we're able to get goods even faster. So we're using that water in the coast to help us get things from other countries and other places much faster. I'm sure you've learned all about how to conserve and recycle paper, but we know we have to protect our resources from pollution and removal. One particular man in our state worked hard to try to show Americans how unique our resources are, and his name was John Muir. All right, here he is. Here's John Muir. He worked to protect our state's natural beauty. All right, he really worked hard to protect the redwoods. In fact, there's a famous place called Muir Woods you can visit that's named after him. And of course, here's some other photos of those beautiful trees that we're talking about. So we know here in California that our resources are amazing, but we also know we need to protect those resources so that we don't lose them and we can continue to live here.